Hi, I'm Amrita. Welcome to NodeCP Ultra, your all-in-one hosting control panel. Get a complete overview of your server with a powerful, real-time dashboard featuring NodeCP Ultra. Manage all your hosting accounts easily with full control and clear visibility. Create flexible hosting packages with custom resource limits in just a few clicks. Secure your websites instantly with automated SSL management. Protect your data with automated backups and quick recovery options. Monitor and manage all your websites from one powerful interface. Manage your mail server with advanced controls and real-time monitoring. Control PHP versions and configurations to match your application needs. NodeCP Ultra can now run Node apps, Docker containers, flexible over websites. Upgrade with NodeCP Ultra. Why are you waiting? Download NodeCP Ultra from nodecp.com now. It's free now. Catch soon.